In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Keep Notes. Syncing Google Keep Notes means your ideas, lists, and reminders stay consistent across your phone, tablet, and computer without you doing anything extra. Keep stores everything in the cloud using your Google account, and the syncing happens automatically in the background. To make that magic work smoothly, there are just a few things to confirm. First, make sure you're signed into the same Google account on every device you use. If your notes aren't appearing somewhere, it's often because one device is on a different account. A quick way to check is to look at the profile icon in Keep or in your browser and confirm it matches the account you use elsewhere. Next, you need an active internet connection. Keep can save changes offline and catch up later, but for immediate syncing, Wi-Fi or mobile data needs to be available. If you're on a spotty connection, you might notice a brief delay until you're back online. Also, confirm that Keep is allowed to sync in your account settings. If background sync is disabled at the account or device level, changes won't move between devices until syncing is re-enabled. This is especially important if you've recently adjusted privacy or battery settings. On a computer, the process is simple. Open a browser and go to keep.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account you use on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, your notes should appear automatically. No extra toggles or setup required. Any new note you create here will show up on your other devices the next time they're online and allowed to sync. A few things to remember about how syncing behaves. There isn't a dedicated sync button in Google Keep. It runs automatically in the background, so you typically don't need to trigger anything manually. If you edit the same note on two different devices while offline, a conflict can happen when both reconnect. In that case, Keep may prompt you to choose which version to keep. To avoid losing changes, try to edit a note on just one device at a time when you know you're offline. Sync might also seem delayed if you haven't opened the app recently or if battery optimization is limiting background activity. Opening Keep for a moment often nudges it to refresh, and easing strict battery settings can help if you notice consistent delays. That's it. Confirm the same account, stay online, allow syncing, and your notes will follow you everywhere.